Hi everyone and welcome to Monday Night Working. I'm currently working on some stock for an upcoming show in London. I seem to always work late on a Monday. I really enjoy it because I feel like I get a lot done and I really sort of get into it. So it's a really good way for me to kind of kickstart the week. So some of you might have seen that I put on a Mother's Day sort of mini collection on my website. So take a look at that. That's sort of a couple of earrings and necklaces sort of available just for Mother's Day. It's a couple of colours I had and made some limited edition necklaces. So head on over to the website to have a look at those. And I'll keep you in the loop to what I'm making this evening, which is going to be a couple of pendants, a couple of new pendants. So I'll show you how I make those. Pendants are out the pickle. I have kind of brushed it up a little bit just to kind of clean it. Let me focus on that, there we go. So now I'm going to leave it with 3 because I really like that. I think that would make a really nice cute little pendant. What I need to do now is attach a jump ring. So I hand cut all these guys out, so this is a tiny little ring, which I don't actually know if you can see it. So what I have to do here is grab my pliers and just align the 2 sides together. So it's just literally just going like that. And then what I'm going to do is set it all up to be soldered. We're using an easy solder, so this is a lower melting point than a hard solder. Basically this just means that when I solder this jump ring onto the pendant, it won't melt everything. So this is the finished product. So you see that's where I soldered on the jump ring there. So I think that's quite cute. And I'll show you what the 3 sizes are. So this is my newest mini. So thanks so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I make my latest mini pendant. It will be available to buy at the end of the month at the show in London and also online. So hopefully I'll see you at the show, and if not, I've got some more exciting events coming up. So see my events page on my website, and I'll put some more details about the show in London below. Okay, thanks so much. Good night everyone.